It's kind of an awkward background, but hey guys, what is up? My name is Trinity and I make fashion and a lifestyle related content. If you are new, welcome. If you are not, hey guys, welcome back.
Hey.
Welcome back to my channel where I do whatever I want. Period. Okay.
Rick Manson's World Motion Tour is over, and what a success it was.
Hi guys. Today I'm going to be talking about 8 of my least favorite trends or fashion trends of 2020. 2020 was just such a big year for us to show our creativity and just see what everybody is about. And before I even go ahead and get into this video, these opinions are my own, so I have the right to them. If you do like these, I'm not saying they look bad on you. Maybe you could change my mind, but for me these just really aren't it for me. And for the ones I like, if you don't like them, like I said again, it's my opinion, and if you don't like it, you can go. I'm playing. No, really, you can actually go. If you're new, I don't know if this is the video for you to watch, because I'm really not a judgmental person. Like, some of the trends that I didn't even like, I kind of did like. It's just a matter of I didn't. So before I go ahead and get started, make sure to check out my social medias. I'm very active on there. That way you can keep up with me on a daily when I'm not on YouTube, because I do not post every day on YouTube, because baby, who got the time for all that?
Not I, said the fox.
Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the worst fashion trends, honestly, because baby, you're supposed to get the worst news first and then the good news. Also, this is sweet tea. I just put it in a pretty glass, like a wine glass, to make me feel something.
Oh, yeah.
So the first worst trend of 2019, I have Y2K. Now, honestly, I liked Y2K fashion. I just don't like Y2 tacky. A lot of people will put on the tackiest clothing and they'll call it Y2K. Also, I really don't like how a lot of Y2K fashion that black girls and Hispanic or Latinx girls wear is cyber ghetto, Y2K cyber ghetto. Like, what? First of all, the whole Y2K, I know y'all like to talk about Miss Paris Hilton over there, but these came from our icons. Best believe black people are the blueprints, and that's on what? Period. You look a mess. Please stop what you're doing. It just bugs me. It looks like it's about to fall apart, like the rhinestones are over here popping off. Like, baby, baby, nah, that ain't gonna work. Is made outfits on boys, or really just feminine things on boys in general. I did really like it when it first started appearing, especially on places like TikTok. But let me just say something. It is so obvious now that a lot of these boys are just putting on this stuff to appease their audience or almost clout chase, and like, we eat it right up. Like, a boy will be like,
My views are getting low. Let me go ahead and just put on this maid outfit and do that little TikTok dance.
you know, the one where they be like that thing. Like, it's so obvious. Just because a boy wears a dress does not make him some type of breaking gender norms and feminine stereotypes. Like, honestly, it's cool, I appreciate it, but not really for me. I'm not the biggest fan of that trend, just because a lot of them would never even step out the house with that dress on. Next trend that just really, and I guess this isn't a fashion trend, but it is Depop. So I've been really looking into Depop because I'm really interested in it, but I found out that a lot of Depop, and I don't want to speak on this because I might seem hypocritical, but it's really overpriced. And I mean, I get it, but I don't get it. Like, they're going to the thrift store and getting these things for like $1, then they're labeling it vintage, and then they're charging $35 for it. Like, and y'all are buying it.
You guys are literally better off just shopping at a regular thrift store. Like, I'm not, like, I mean, I get it's online, but all the stuff that they're selling you guys is from the thrift store. I mean, some of them actually make stuff, so I don't want to discredit nobody, but like, they'll go to the thrift store and charge you $36 for the same shirt you bought at the thrift store. Babe, just go to the thrift store yourself.
I mean, make your coin, but don't rip people off. And it's these same people that are telling us don't shop fast fashion. Look, I'll thrift, I'll go fast fashioning. Not everybody has $35 to spend on one shirt. They're like, don't do fast fashion, but at least fast fashion is, I can't explain it, but like, why am I paying $35 for one shirt? One single, and then the thing is, it'll be like a half of a shirt too, like a crop top or something. Like, I'm not even getting that much fabric and you're making me pay $35 for this shirt. And they're doing the same thing on resale sites. Like, shouldn't resale sites be, I mean, of course make your profit, but if the shirt you got from Goodwill was $1, there's no reason it needs to be $40 now. Make that make sense. Okay, this hair is like kind of blowing me. Tie-dye, I'm sorry. I hate tie-dye. I don't know. Ooh, my forehead looks huge right now. I mean, it always looks huge, but we ain't finna talk about it. I hate tie-dye. I mean, I don't hate it. Like, I think I have something tie-dye in my closet, and I think I wore it before, but tie-dye just gives me, like, camp flashbacks, and I don't want to ever go back. I've seen some tie-dye pieces that I would wear, but, like, you're not going to see me go out and look for tie-dye, because I'm sorry. Like, it's just not me. Like, I'm sorry. Can we keep tie-dye in 2020? Keep it over there. Let's stick to the other prints. We have done so many other prints that are so cute, like the cheetah prints, the zebra prints, the cow prints. Why tie-dye? Like, I'm trying my hardest not to look at this or make eye contact with this thing, but it's just so gross. Are Telfar bags. Telfar, I don't know. They really just, I mean, they've always been a thing, but they've recently become big during the year 2020. Now, my friend has one and it's actually cute. I'm not even gonna hold you. So it's not like I'm sitting over here being a hater. But here's my thing. They're so expensive for what? For the what? No, I'm like, is it for the little tea thing? Like, I guarantee you, baby, you can go to Marshall's and get that same bag. I'm just convinced now we're starting to actually buy stuff just because of... What is that? I'm convinced we're starting to buy stuff simply because it's a designer, and that really blows me. Like, I mean, I have designer things of my own, but a lot of the designer stuff I buy because I genuinely like it or because my mom gets it for me. I don't buy designer just for the sake of having designer, and those bags are a perfect example of buying something simply for designer. Same with Birkins. Like, Birkins, Telfar, they look like the Marshall bags. They look like Michael Kors. They look like those bags you can literally find at any Ross near you. Coming soon. If any one of your loved ones are experiencing any symptoms of headaches, stomach aches, sleepiness, and nausea, the next trend that excuse me, the chunky boots with the feminine dress. It's not bad, but the kinds I've seen, I've hated it. I mean, y'all are giving very much Little Women on the Prairie. Stop. That's mean. That's mean, Trinity. Stop. But, like, it's little, like, y'all look like y'all about to go work in a factory somewhere. Like, I honestly hate it. I don't know. I'm sorry, but, like, the chunky boots plus, like, a long dress, I've seen people look decent in it, like Best Dressed. I've seen her wear it and she's actually looked pretty good, but a lot of you guys look like the moms in a Target ad, and I don't know how I feel about that. Yeah, sorry. I don't know how I feel about that. Let's keep that one in 2020, babe. We can just push that over there. Not the banging, the banging. Bangs. Not the banging, the banging. Whoa, whoa, whoa. First of all, y'all are hard-headed and y'all decided to cut these bangs yourselves when you know you should have went to a professional because you never cut bangs in your life before, so now you look dumb. I mean, I guess they're growing out now because the bang trend was like in the earlier parts of the years, but seriously, go to professionals, guys. Like, y'all are, I don't know who y'all thought y'all were. Look, me, honestly, I was a big fan of the bangs. I had a little bang of my own back in the day, okay? I had a little bang of my own, but here's the thing. They're very inconvenient for curly heads, and I don't know how they work for straight heads because I am not one. I like them because they hide my big dome on my head that my parents literally gave birth to a Megamind. Just gonna cover that back up. but they're really inconvenient when you want to do something besides that straight hair look. I mean, you can do it if you're a curly head, but if you cut them while your hair is straight and you're a curly head, sorry, they're going to look stupid. But if you cut them while you're a curly head and then you straighten them, they're gonna look like down here, because you know that shrinkage be real for real. And I remember when I had bangs, whenever my hair would revert back to curly, they would be right here, and I'm over here looking like the girl from Queen's Gambit, like, baby, ooh, oh, I was struggling. I was struggling. And she said, count your days, baby. Count your days. I was in a really dark place back then. See, you hear him banging on the wall.
Oh, I'm not even being loud.
Oh my god, it's not funny.
Not my phone ringing, excuse me. Child, my phone started ringing, rude, okay.
Yeah. Yeah.
The Playboy Bunny. Honestly, y'all look so bad in y'all little Playboy Bunny.
Before I even continue or go on, I hope you guys know that when I'm saying bad, I don't mean ugly bad. I mean like, you so bad. Baby, I want you so. That's what I'm saying. I'm saying you guys look good, not bad. But I said the word bad, but I didn't mean bad. I meant the good bad.
Things for Halloween. I'm not even gonna hold you, but first of all, some of y'all are like 10. Do y'all not know what the Playboy Bunny stands for? I feel like we're forgetting what it. I mean, if you do, go ahead, baby, do you. Honestly, this shouldn't even be on this list because I low-key liked it, except I knew what it stood for, and my mom would quite frankly beat not my fake nose piercing coming off. I'm a fraud. That is it for this video. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, a like, a comment, and subscribe if you want to see more of my content. Remember, I make fashion lifestyle videos. Also, don't forget to check out my social medias. I'm very active on there. It's Trend Noelle across all platforms. That's how you'll be able to find me. And lastly, thank you guys so much for continuing to subscribe, like, and support my channel. It's really helping my dreams come true, giving me everything I want. And is it everything I want in life? I don't think so, but thank you guys. I really do love everybody, each and every one of you. I do really appreciate it. This is my last video for the 2020, so I really like this time closing out my 2020, and 2020 has been like a rough year, so I do want to just say thank you guys. This YouTube channel really did help get me through 2020. Why am I rubbing my eye? Happy New Year's, guys, and I wish you the best.
Rick Manson's World Motion Tour is over, and what a success it was.